Before this video begins, make sure to check out our store at gfxcomment.com. We have free templates, free graphics packs, as well as user interface and much more you can check out at our store. Thank you for all the support. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I want to show you guys how to make this super cool monster icon here that you guys see. Check out our store, gfxcomment.com. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and yeah, let's get right into it. Now, first things first, I'm going to copy and enlarge this. Alright, so let's hit new layer. Let's start off with our pencil, so I'm gonna click it right here. Okay, I'm going to change this to path, and I'm gonna start up top. I'm just going to click on the shape, then I'm gonna click right here and drag this like that. Now I'm gonna hold Alt and click on the square. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, I'm gonna move my pen here. I'm gonna click and drag like that. And click right here. Click and drag. Click right here. Click and drag a little bit. Just gonna move this all the way down. Right, curve this up a little bit. We're gonna go around over here, curve, and finish. There we go. Now we're gonna go up here. I'm gonna hit shape. This will make the shape for us. As you can see, I like the shape we have. I think I did a pretty good job. All right, anyways, now let's see what we can do. All right, so I'm gonna double click here, and I'm gonna choose the orange color. That's the color I want to start off with. I'm gonna hit OK. Now I'm gonna hit new layer and right click. I'm gonna go create clipping mask right here. I'm going to use my brush tool right here. As you can see, my hardness is down at 0, so I have a soft brush. My opacity, I'm gonna go around like, I don't know, 40. Flow is around 30-40, same thing. I'm gonna use this pink color, and I'm just gonna paint towards the bottom. As you can see, right? Alright, I'm gonna switch my color to white, make a new layer, make a clipping mask again, same thing, and we're just gonna paint white in the middle area here, just something like that. Lower the opacity a little bit. Alright, okay, so that looks good to me. Let's right click the shape and go into blending options right here, and we go inner shadow, change the colors to white. To black, I mean. Choke all the way down, size. Let's do that. The mode is on overlay, by the way, as you can see. We're gonna do the glow effects and stuff later. Alright, let's hit OK. Let's go on top. Let's hit new layer. Now let's make the eyes. Okay, use your pencil again. We're just gonna trace the shape. Alright, I'm gonna select the color right here, and we're gonna go new layer again. We're gonna use our ellipse tool this time. The color is white, and we're just gonna make a little eye shape. We're gonna go Control T to position this right here. Okay, it looks good to me. We're gonna right click. We're gonna right click on the eye, blending options, and we're gonna go for auto glow, normal. Alright, choose this little orange right color. That's here. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good to me. Alright, we're gonna take these two, make sure it's positioned properly. I'm gonna copy these by hitting Control J on my keyboard. I'm gonna use this and just Control T, rotate this like so. Right, we're gonna take these, Control G to group these two accordingly. Move these two right here, should be fine. And these little highlights are simple, you just want to use your ellipse tool. So you could just take this shape, Control T, ellipse tool again. Make this little circle. Very simple. And we're just gonna move this right here, like so. Alright, now for the mouth area. We go for our pencil once more, and we're just gonna start right here. Alright, I'm gonna hit shape. It's a bit off, but I'm gonna select this color. Okay, so it's like that. Use the pencil for the teeth now. I'm just gonna go right here. And just up here. Hit shape. And for the teeth, you're gonna wanna right click and clip into the mouth. Just copy, Control T, right click, flip horizontal for the other side. Right here. Right, it's cool. Okay, so just make sure this is right here. Alright, alright, for the teeth, we're gonna go into blending options, and we're just going to add some drop shadow, as you can see, like this. Go mode overlay as well. Just gonna keep it like this a little bit. Just gonna go like that. Alright. We're gonna hit OK. You could right click, copy layer style, and paste it onto the other tooth. I'm gonna go into blending options for the entire mouth. And I'm gonna go for inner shadow, like this. You could copy my settings. I'm gonna go distance up a little bit. Like this, like that. Like this, kinda. And then I'm gonna go, let's see, go outer glow. Alright, with this pink color right here. Kinda softer a little bit. And then I'm gonna go drop shadow, overlay white on the outside. Like this. There we go. That looks good. Alright, we're gonna add the tongue real quick. So new layer, pencil, click right here and drag. Let's go across and hit shape. Make sure it's clipped in here. Now the tongue, slow gloss. So we're gonna go boom. I'm gonna make a new layer. Use my brush instead. I think this will be a bit better. And use the color black. Just kind of do this, so shadow part. And use white for this part. Hold Control, click on the thumbnail icon of the tongue layer. I'm gonna go select. Actually, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna right click, select inverse, and I'm gonna hit delete twice on my keyboard. Hit Control D. Change this to overlay, and there we have it. We have a nice tongue, as you can see. Alright, so now to polish everything and make everything look nicer, like this right here. Here is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go new layer, and we're just gonna start. And I'm just going to do these little highlights real quick. So these two. It's gonna be right here. And for the ellipse, it's gonna go right here. Okay. Alright, perfect. Now let's take everything. Hold shift, click on the bottom. Control G to group, Control J to copy. And I'm gonna right click, convert to smart objects. Alright, let's get into the cool little effects here. Alright. We're gonna start with a new layer. And then I think let's go for pencil, okay? And now let's hold Control, click on the icon right here. You should see this symbol icon up here. Click over here. This will make a selection. We're going to select, modify, contract by 5. As you can see, I'm going to use my brush tool with the color white. And from here, we're going to turn up the opacity. And now you can see if you just paint, it looks pretty cool. Like that. Alright, now with this, to make it glow, just hit Ctrl J to copy. Let's go with filter, blur, let's say Gaussian blur. This is gonna look really nice, so let's go mode, screen, move it to the bottom, and just lower the opacity. So yeah, that's going to be it. That's how you make this super cool monster icon. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. If you guys want more, subscribe, comment down below, join our Discord, check our store, and I want to thank you if you made it to the end of this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.